Welcome to e-Semplice Hub, where music theory is simplified. This is for Grade 4 Music Theory students. Analysis 1. In this video, an extract of music is given for you to answer different questions on it. We shall consider examination analysis question from Muson exam, May 2022. Look at this melody and then answer the questions below. Tick one box for each term. Presto means tempo giusto means tick one box for each term. Presto means fast. Tempo giusto means in strict time. The key of the melody is D flat major. Which other key has the same key signature? Invariably. What is the relative minor of D flat major? The answer is B flat minor. Draw a circle around 3 notes next to each other that form the tonic triad of D flat major. The first thing you do is write out the scale of D flat major, add the degrees of the scale, first degree, third degree, fifth degree. Now go back to the extract and look for these 3 notes standing next to each other. D flat, F, and A flat. The answer is in bar 2. You have A flat, F, and D flat. Give the technical name, e.g. tonic, supertonic, of the second note in the melody. Remember that the key is D flat major. What is the technical name of the second note? in the melody? The answer is submediant. And that's B flat. It is the 6th degree of D flat major scale. Submediant, the 6th degree. Answer true or false to the following statements. The bracketed melodic intervals in bar 4 are both minor thirds. True or false? The answer is false. Both are not minor thirds. Write as a brief, that is double whole note, an enharmonic equivalent of the first note of the melody. Write as a brief, an enharmonic equivalent of the first note of the melody. The first note in this melody is C. So write as a brief an enharmonic equivalent of C, which is the first note in this melody. Now the first thing you do is sketch your keyboard, locate the first note, which is letter C. Now, what is the enharmonic equivalent? That is, which other notes on this keyboard will sound exactly like letter C? The options are B sharp will sound exactly like C. Another option is D double flat. So you have two options, but I choose to write D double flat as a brief note. Remember, brief. So here is the answer. That is D double flat as a brief note. Give the letter name of the lowest note in the melody. Give the letter name of the lowest note in this melody. The letter name is F and it's in bar 3. Look at bar 3, that's the lowest note. The letter name is F. Underline one word from the list below that has a similar meaning as adagio. These are the words: vif, lento, modéré, retenu. So which of these words has the same meaning or similar meaning as adagio? Underline. The answer is lento. Name the ornament used in bar 1. Now look at bar 1 and look at the ornament. That's the ornament. So name this ornament. What is it called? The answer is upper mordent. Upper mordent. You also have another upper mordent in bar 4. The 5th note in bar 4 also has an upper mordent. Give the time name, e.g. crotchet or quaver note, of the shortest note in the melody, ignoring the ornaments. What is the time name of the shortest note in this melody? Scan through the extracts. Have you found the shortest note? What is the time name of that note? The answer is demi-semi-quiver, and that is in bar 7. Look at bar 7. You have 2 demi-semi-quivers there. You also have another demi-semi-quiver, all in bar 7. Add the correct rest at the place marked asterisk to complete bar 1. Look at that bar. Which rest fits that spot to balance the first bar in 4/4 time? The answer is quiver rests. Quiver rest balances that spot and that bar. How many pairs of tied notes appear in the melody? How many pairs appear in the melody? Tied notes. Let's count together. The first pair of tied notes is this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 pairs of tied notes appear in this melody. Name a key in which all the notes in bar 1 can be found. Name a key in which all the notes in bar 1 can be found. The answer is D minor. D minor. Which other key has the same key signature as the key you named in B above? That is, what is the relative major of D minor? The answer is F major. Which bar will sound the loudest? Which bar will sound the loudest? The answer is bar 4. In bar 4 you have F, that is 40. Loud. The music starts soft with a P, and in bar 3 there's a crescendo. It opens up to F in bar 4, and then in bar 5 you have the diminuendo sign, which takes the music back to the soft dynamics. Rewrite the first 2 notes of bar 7 so that they sound at the same pitch, but using the alto clef. Remember to put the clef sign and the key signature. The first thing you actually do is add alto clef sign. Now the first note in bar 7 is letter C. It's C, and that's middle C actually. So come to the alto clef and locate your middle C. The middle C on this clef is the middle line. And the second note in bar 7 is F. So you are now to write C and F on this clef, and this is the answer. But remember to add your key signature first. This is the key signature on this clef. That's where your B flat is. Remember the middle line here is middle C, so B flat is below that, and the 2 notes in bar 7 at the same pitch will be this. Many thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel.